my third one. Hi, I'm Lydia. I just looked up. Hi, I'm Lydia at Lydia's Crafts All Day. Today we are going to be doing how to make a card for a close friend or a pen pal. I ran into a really nice girl at the beach on one of my vacations, and since then me and her have been pen pals and we've wrote to each other, and I've written a letter that I'll bring out later. So first you need a parent to make a name or whatever you want to put on your paper. Also you need cardstock paper. So my mom made a couple of names in cursive, and I have this one that I've already been working on, and we're going to finish it as our first one that we're doing today. It's my name, and I'm just gonna get my Sharpie and trace those lines. And try and be as straight as I can. If it's a little wonky, that's fine. So I just have followed those lines, and I'm gonna follow that one. So my mom made this one, and she's been teaching me how to do them. And so we're trying to make ours like that. You see how that outline is cool back there? That's what we're going to be doing next. So you see I'm just grabbing a pencil, and I'm going to draw something behind that. And I drew a heart behind yours. You can do whatever you want. I just did a heart. It's kind of easy to draw. So I got my glass of water here and my watercolor paint, and I'm going to do a blue heart. Blue's one of my favorite colors. So that's what I'm going to do. And you can do whatever color you'd like. You can use watercolor or any other type of paint. I prefer using watercolor because it's easier to spread out and it just absorbs into paper. Also, you need the right kind of paper to do watercolor. If you have a thinner paper, that's fine. It's just more likely to bleed through because it's water and it's going to do that. So you just want to be careful how much paint you're using, how much water you're using, and how careful you're being. So you don't want to go like dun dun dun. You want to go like this and go long and spread that paint. Before you start painting, you might want to wet your paper so that the color doesn't absorb as much. So I'm done wetting. Now I'm going to get one of my smaller brushes and get some red. If you want it to look better than some of the others, you can just go around the edge and do that. But don't color on the inside too much. If you need to do it in the middle of the heart, you can. I'm just going around the edge. And touching up with that. And going around. So then getting a little bit more, just kind of blending some of that in. But if you're doing two-tone like me, I would just get a lot of water, just kind of touch that a little, like a boundary. Then I'm going to get some more paint, just do it on the other parts. If it gets on the letters, that's fine. So I got some yellow and red around the outside. And I'm smearing it in with the red. And it looks super cool. I'm gonna fill in that tiny space right there. Spread it all around. And spread it into the red. It looks really cool if you spread it into the red. It gets that orange. It looks like you did 3 colors, but you've only done 2. So I finished these 2. So that blue went over my letters and it faded them. So I'm just gonna go back over them and smooth them out. So this is one of the ones that I finished and did a blue heart because it's one of my favorite colors. When you're writing to your Penpal, you want to ask lots of questions and you want to add details, but also you don't want to do all of the asking. You want to answer some of the questions that you asked them. So I did that. Then I drew some pictures of some of what I wrote, and once I finish this, I'm gonna tuck it inside. Then I might decorate the inside later. Thank you for watching Lydia's Crafts All Day. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit subscribe. Look out for more videos coming soon. Bye.